Yes. Oh, you mean? Hear me now, nation people. Right about now, I look all over upon the internet and I see Likkle vybz first performance in the UK. You see what I say? And maybe that time first real stage performance. So, you hear what? Proud of your Likkle vybz. You see what I say? Because your first time. The only thing what I not really too like about it, I not really too like how the selector mix you. I not really like all my mix you. I not really like all my deal with the rhythm. You see what I say? But as I say, there's a first in everything. I already passed the test already, youth. So it can only get better from here. So no lollipop thing not dead about it, you know. You know how I represent already. A real way I represent. And for some of the haters them, when them see me forward up on them place here, I do my video and I tell me say, yo, me need to jump off because nobody now go miss me. What the fuck nobody now go miss me? And me have 2 college graduates in a bumbo clot house. You see what I say? Where I missed all the blood clot responsibility for. Plus, me look at that I go only childhood. One of the most sophisticated girl high school in a Jamaica. Go look on them bumbo clock board and look on them star if you don't feel like a lollipop thing me talk about. So me don't know how some little boy and girl see man thing, not like which part me there, so them want to throw words at me and think so well then, yo, them words there, I pay them words in my mind. No, I'm not pay them words in my mind. From the moment you can text that, you know, I already see say you're bad mind already, you know. But here what go on. It's not my fault why you're there, which part you're there, you know, my virgin. And it's not my fault why you're not there right here, so, you know. So, just keep your bad mind attitude to yourself. You see what I say? Yeah, man. That no mean nothing at all to me. And you see from them way that you are going, me definitely I go tell you go 12 o'clock your mother. You see what I say? Take an hour lunch break. Don't come out back till 1 o'clock. No give me thing not dead about it. At the world it's not a plan. You know watch what go on, you know? Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already, you know, when I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You don't know what go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me now, nation people. Me say, we're proud of Likkle vybz because I'm first time I perform. There's what I say in front of a huge crowd. So that alone make you get air for me, Likkle vybz. You see what I say? Just to go out, they go face the crowd and do what you do best. You see what I say? Respect my G to the fullest. You see what I say? I know that your foot soak in the water for the first time. You know what it is right now. So now care all people, I go tell you how to do your thing or how you should perform and them shit there. You're not going to feel comfortable until you face it for yourself. So now you face it, you know what to do. You know how to do the do, my brother. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. I'm happy and proud of your rude boy. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. A real way I represent. I don't represent no lollipop way. Because I don't know how I sound the big thing them already. You know a loud explosion thing I deal with. And I not deal with gimmicks thing. But yeah, you see what I say? Yeah, man. So bless up to Likkle vibes. You see what I say? And your awesome performance for the first time, bad boy. I love it. You see what I say? Yeah, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, you can get more confident after this. No lollipop thing, not dead about it. Right now, you know, I see a bugger rare go on the social media. But here what go on. Because we not to response phenomenon where I do the bleaching. You hear me? But we sound the big thing then. If a boy a wear G-string. No gimmicks business not dead about it. No lollipop thing not dead in my game. Here what I say, respect to the man them who practice what them preach. You see what I say? Like the world boss. He never sell out yet, gazanation. No gimmicks business not dead about it. The world boss never sell out yet. Remember in a gazanation. World boss drop ramping shop, you know. Pan near them rhythm, you know. And near them, you know. Link up the world boss, you know, my brother. Me not know, you know. If I want to go up on the track or whatever, you know, link up the world boss, you know. World boss make them man they know, you know. So right now to him thing shaky, you know. Him not take no participation with that, you know. You see what I say? And them end up make world boss have to change the rhythm, you know. Gazanation. You can't imagine if world boss did ever let in Neo pan the ramping shop where him and Spice though. You know, you remember the song sell. Remember the song, you know. It billboard, you know, my virgin. Wreck the place, you know. You can just imagine what that song they would have do if Neo they on it. Probably to the sell platinum, because them time they Neo in a top form. You see what I say? Probably have platinum the song would have go. But world boss not believe in a them thing that him practice where him preach. Him never use Neo. End up change the rhythm and song still hit billboard and still tear down the world. No gimmicks business not dead in my game. No lollipop thing not dead about it. So respect to the world boss. Never sell out yet. You see what I say? And I got big up Bounty Killer. Because here what go on. The man they practice where them preach. Nation people, how long the people them take with Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer visa. Eh? How long the people them take with Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer visa? Vybz Kartel still drive S-Class. From me know Vybz Kartel bus as a young artist, him a change BMW. So, no gimmicks bumbo clock business, not dead about it. You see what I say? And Killer, them take with him visa how long? Killer still a drive 740 Beamer and still a drive blood clot Benz Punani. You see what I say? And still I live and I hold him harder and I live up to him standard where him create. No gimmicks thing not dead about it, Gazanation. Only no see them take with Bounty Killer, being him on visa. You see what I say? Because the people them know say them two man there, although Jamaica them from, them two man there when them touch in America, them it's like a rock blood clot star. No gimmicks thing not dead about it and no hype me hype up no shit. Because the versus bumbo clot competition dead for sure. Uno say the man they are mega star, the man they are no lollipop blood clot business when you talk about America business. When you talk about America business and call Bounty Killer and blood clot being a man name. I like Tupac and Big you know blood clot but the show I go sell long. You can imagine if the man there have them visa and come all perform all those blood clot hits with them blood clot clash with all over the 52 blood clot state. Them don't know why they go on. Eh? At 20 times richer than all them rich. Them would have stay. Men and people know that. And two them man then to deal with certain shit and lick out on certain shit. Them disarm them on their visa. You see what I say? And the G them still hold it. Still a drive expensive vehicle. Still a hold up them head. Still set themselves away. You see what I say? And still a live up to the role model where them bumbo clot set for themselves. No gimmicks bumbo clot business not dead about it, Gazanation. You see what I say? But right about now, you see what I say? I see a whole heap of hypocrisy go on the internet, and I know I not even choose to take participate in it. But we are say bless up Likkle vibes for them first performance. You see what I say? And big up to the man them who practice what them preach. Or the general, the 10-star one. Watch.